In our increasingly interconnected world, data is the lifeblood of modern organizations. From multinational corporations to neighborhood cafes, businesses of all sizes rely on digital systems for operations, communication, and customer engagement. This reliance on technology, however, comes at a price-heightened vulnerability to cyber attacks. Cybersecurity is no longer a concern exclusive to tech giants and government agencies. It has become an imperative for every organization, irrespective of size or industry. The digital landscape is rife with malicious actors seeking to exploit vulnerabilities, steal sensitive information, and disrupt business operations. The consequences of ignoring cybersecurity can be devastating. Data breaches, financial losses, reputational damage, and legal ramifications are just a few of the risks organizations face in the absence of robust cybersecurity measures. In today's digital age, proactive cybersecurity is not just an option, it is an essential investment for organizational survival and success. Cybersecurity threats are constantly evolving, with new attack vectors emerging at an alarming pace. Organizations must remain vigilant and informed about the most common threats to their digital assets. Phishing attacks, for example, remain a prevalent threat, often targeting employees with deceptive emails or messages designed to trick them into revealing sensitive information. Malware, another significant threat, encompasses a range of malicious software, including viruses, worms, and ransomware, which can infiltrate systems, steal data, or lock down critical files, holding them hostage for ransom. Denial of service, or DOS attacks, on the other hand, aim to overwhelm systems and networks with traffic, disrupting services and rendering websites and online platforms inaccessible to legitimate users. Social engineering exploits human vulnerabilities, relying on manipulation and deception to gain unauthorized access to systems or information. Weak passwords, lack of multi-factor authentication, and outdated software further exacerbate vulnerabilities, providing easy entry points for cybercriminals. The real-world consequences of cyber attacks are far-reaching and can cripple organizations both financially and reputationally. In 2017, the WannaCry ransomware attack, for instance, wreaked havoc globally, infecting hundreds of thousands of computers across various sectors, including healthcare, transportation, and telecommunications. The attack resulted in significant financial losses, service disruptions, and compromised data. The 2020 SolarWinds attack, a sophisticated supply chain attack, demonstrated the devastating impact of compromised software updates. Malicious code injected into software updates for a widely used network management platform provided attackers with backdoor access to numerous government agencies and private companies, resulting in a massive data breach and highlighting the importance of robust software supply chain security. In the face of ever-evolving cyber threats, organizations must adopt a multi-layered approach to cybersecurity, encompassing both technological solutions and employee training. Implementing strong passwords and multi-factor authentication is paramount to securing user accounts and preventing unauthorized access. Regular software updates are crucial to patch vulnerabilities and stay ahead of emerging threats. Investing in robust antivirus and anti-malware software, along with firewalls and intrusion detection systems, provides an additional layer of protection against malicious software and unauthorized network access. Employee training plays a pivotal role in mitigating human vulnerabilities. Educating employees about phishing scams, social engineering tactics, and the importance of strong passwords equips them to identify and report potential threats. Regularly backing up critical data ensures business continuity in the event of a ransomware attack or data loss. Cybersecurity is not a one-time endeavor, but an ongoing process that requires continuous vigilance, adaptation, and investment. By prioritizing cybersecurity, organizations can safeguard their digital assets, protect their reputation, and ensure business continuity in an increasingly interconnected and threat-prone world.